which means to identify that the merit student, thus to encourage them, thus to give them respect and honor for their work, for their hard work. Since Haimano, there are around maybe 4-5 lakh students. Out of 4-5 lakh students, here we are only 27,000, not even lakhs. Out of 10 lakhs, we have identified only 27,000. That meant the maximum 80%, more than 80% are left out to get merit award. Now you have to realize you are the chosen one, you are the selected one because of your hard work, because of your performance, your extra performance, which we give the award, which we give the honor for your hard work. This is the real meaning. Why we are organizing every year this kind of merit award. Just to give regard to you, to respect, to honor of your hard work. Why everyone is not availing? Why everyone is not getting opportunities? 80%, 90% students are left out of this award. Bari bagai ni khagana nangnai, no table kaham kema poranai. Jadi orang ma officers lok sai tangga. No os dulu no mananai. As we have already announced, more than 3 crores no ni account hamnai. Some 500, 600. 3,000, 4,000 like that. So in Khakranam, because we are ST, we are settled tribe. Only settled tribe and settled caste are enjoying this kind of opportunities. Because we are belong to settled tribe. And others, though their performance 100%, 80%, 90%, they are not getting chance. There are many students, they got more than you, their mark is better than you, but they are not getting chance. They don't get even single piece. Because we are ST, we are self-drive. Therefore, we are availing these opportunities. Jangan bodoh bakal kau naik, buitam maya ba, sehingga tamuman. Tamakaro. Nyam sa kabang satu kaham tong bui. Kini por maya. Proszę go zaraz. Sen kici sa nang mamon pono sa use ba. Bore use kai nai ani pore mazaro. Not buying the mobile. Not buying your shoes. Not buying your dresses. You can buy good book. You can buy good pen. Because books will give you knowledge. Dress, shoes will not give you knowledge. So we are giving an award, merit award, to gain more knowledge. We are giving some money, little money, for what? To encourage you. Not for buying your shoes, not for buying your mobile, not for buying your dresses. I will appreciate if you buy a good book. Good books will bring you knowledge. And knowledge will give you power. Once you earn the knowledge, you will have a power. You have power to dominate others. You will have power to rule others. Therefore, modern age we are living, knowledge is power. If you have a less knowledge, you will become what? Therefore, we have to gain knowledge. That is our intention. To give a little award, just to encourage you. Here I got data. This year, we're giving you around 27,000. Last year, only 8,000. Because merit is award is increasing because of this year we are not having exam, written exam. We are giving with maybe through internet and all, I think, online and all. Therefore, this why I think we are getting more merit students. If you really sit down and write, I think we will not get this much student. I am happy that this year South Tripura got highest effort. South Tripura, defeating all the districts. That means South Tripura. I have got a report here. South Tripura, South district. We have a 6,441 students. They got award. South district. I think most people are maybe from West. South district got highest award. Maximum award for the student. And minimum who got Unukudi district. Unukudi district won 639 students. 639. Whereas South district got 6,441. That is West Dolai it came. Ansamakamastu. First of all, you are all students. We are young, age, energetics. What is your duty now? Your priority? See, we have to select the priority of basis. Wherever you go, first you have to choose the priority. If you do not know your priority, then you will not win it. Now your priority, what is your priority? Tell me. Any student, come up, tell me. What is your priority now?
Studies.
Study. Now your priority is study. After you study, you can do whatever you want. Therefore, any request about the money. You are all students, you are growing up, long way to go. Young, many days you have to go. There is a saying I want to tell you. If your vision is for 1 year, you cultivate what? Anybody? If your vision is for 1 year, you cultivate. Anybody tell? You cultivate flower. You will give a result. If your vision is for 10 years, you cultivate what? Tell me. 3. There are 3 things I will tell you. If your vision is for 1 year, you cultivate flower. Nene kakamani, wansomani, ek bosan bagin kai, khum kai di. Na khum manai. Nene wansomani, nene vision is for 10 years, you cultivate flower. 3. Na khum kai di. Ragata kai da, taken lamanai, rawabuti manai. You'll get something. But if your vision is for eternity, or maybe I can say, if your vision for 100 years, what do you do?
Forest.
You cultivate people. If your vision is for eternity, you cultivate people. Which means you educate the people. Once you educate it, it becomes eternity for you. You become permanent. If we have cultivated people, which means to educate the people. Therefore, our vision should be like that. If your vision is for 1 year, you cultivate flower. Your vision is for 10 years, cultivate trees. If your vision is for eternity, cultivate people. Which means to educate people. Once you become educated, you will become asset of yourself. Nobody can take away because you are educated. When you die, only you live. But your wealth, your tree, your house, your bank balance, your property will go away. But if you are educated, you become asset of yourself. When you die only, it will go away. Therefore, education is very important. What about this how? Education. It becomes asset. Nini baboni kongo jaga tomano. Rang tomano. Nang jadi educated ni apa? Even you do not know how to manage. There are a lot of examples I can tell you. Ganang-ganang besar. Jumajan besar. Turut kamu gitu. Kamu nggak baik zaman itu. Tangguh, bo, abang manage dengan dunia. Bebe thoke jangnai, bebe thing jangnai, ni house kering thanai. But once you become educated, ni rang keripang mana? You may not have any money, you may not have any poverty, you may not have any house. But once you are educated, you can go anywhere, you can survive. You Bombay Delhi even if you go abroad, you can survive. At least you can survive for yourself. What about in modern age? Since Sikha Plena Sikha Krinkai, Simbusi Kesemana, was a quarter nine, Nanguin Tolamatona. Abanang Sadi, Nangusek, Ntangatona. Bunisek Ganam, Gurun, Kaplai, Namsonke, Nantamakine, Nankurin. Knowledge is even among the student, among your classmate. If your classmate, your friend is better than you, more knowledge than you have to respect him. You have to obey him. Isn't it? Because he knows better than you. He has more knowledge than you. Which means he will control you. Because nowadays is competitive age. Your own friend, your own classmate know better than you, have more knowledge than you, which means you have to bow down to him. You have to respect to him because he knows better than you. Boleh bagai, neng tanam mau musuh, neng kering mau musuh, neng rendah kita makan. You have to study hard work to know better than others, to gain more knowledge than others. That means you have to work hard. Therefore, again I am telling you, we have to perform extra activities. Nang bisa kerana musuh kai, nang bisa kabang maporenai. Boy kabang maporenai. Somai kabang maporenai. Mungkin sebenarnya bisa kerana. Nang bisa poremaya. Nang saya kabang poremaya. Mungkin bonin saya kerana. So now it is up to you to decide whether you want to become winners or losers. Nang dari kepai nama sukan kan, nang berislai extra sama maklai nai. Extra sama kali yang klai, nang berisai kesem nai. Now it's up to you to decide. Nang kepai dan nai, kesem dan nai. Nang semai macam nai. Boleh bagi young generation. Like you people have to decide. Or cannot help him here. There is saying, even God cannot help you until unless you help yourself. First you have to help yourself. then God will help you. There's no any things shortcut matter. There's no freelance. But if I say no one must and a sikla, young generation have to come off with determination, with desire, willing power. Cinta ni apa? Desire macam, itcha macam. No itcha keringe, kun keringe. First and foremost, my request, you have to be desirous. Musuh money. Willingness is very important. Now, musuh apa nama saya? Now you decide. I have a desire. Ang itcha tunggu, ang pain salsawang baru kotor nai. I want to become like Dr. Vishal Kumar, IAS officer. I want to become like Tanushree Department, is IAS officer. We have few IAS officers in Tripura. I want to become ministers, good ministers, political leaders, social workers, professors. I want to become something else. And I want to do something. Before I die in this on this earth, everybody will die one day. I will die one day, everybody will die. Kaya ko thang paya jaga. Ang thang tongsak, o sungsara tongsak, cikon si sabu. Ang ani somas dakli ko, des ko samu khai nai. Nin thango, omai business mo. I'll do something for my society. Boleh bagai, jotonan cikla cerai, nong kaham maporan ni, bakau yug mang nai. One day I also become good leaders, good speaker, maybe pastor, whatever it is. I want to do something for my society. Nunggu kaham khai kan kai, ini society no untuk nai. Yes. Boleh sama kaham khai kata dia bagai dom ni bagai. Dia lu remember ini. Kita tadi pun, nang hamjak lagi orang baru itu mana. Tahu nang sekali angka hamjak lagi hamjak lagi. Kaham khai boleh buat macam mana? Hamjak lagi mana boleh buat mana? Hadi pona, hadi boleh. Cing, dua pelas, nosok hilang haik lagi bosan. Kaham khai pun bosan. Therefore, I am requesting you kaham ke tongdi kaham ke poradi. Jun protect basoro. So I get award right on. Just a month right on. Not only that, I want to tell you. Last week, you have seen in the maybe newspaper. Our department had given 3 crore 21 lakhs. 3 koti. And people may not know what is crore. 3 crore 21 lakhs Singhrika. One time financial assistance. 1 lakh Singhrika. Only ST. Buimaya. Nungmai pun mana waktu tu sampai ya. Jabro 50% mark body kaza. Bo doctor khai tamu, engineer khai, nurse khai je. Professional course पर लेना सर. 321 জন 1 lakh लगा रंगे खबर ना. One time help. But seven mana, seven are extra seven. Everybody will get. Seven bade. Oman puile tikon history go. Ake omah iya go. Bara sadinu pore go. Kuno somo omah iya go. Jenje satra kaham no 1 lakh se birang go. Why should I? Amok tun to maya. Ake omah se maya. Jini kata sura phem pore go 1 lakh tun khali buri nai. Satu kaham jabro 50% mark mana metric but 12 mana musun 1 lakh ke rang dikha kana yang positif masuk so tu tiba sama kan tahu tu cini guru gulo orang santi guru awli bang besi bang guru awli jabro madin pass nai 12 pass nai cember no 8 mas sebagai training itu software training komputer software 18 मास नहीं लग रहे थे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट नहीं एक भी जरूर नहीं तेरे से तो ट्रेनिंग नहीं आ दोनों ट्रेनिंग बोलो रो इंग्लिश कॉक्स खाने हिंदी कॉक्स खाने बुए भागे व्यापार खाना है अब सुन ट्रेनिंग रो बोलबे आं खादो Chini kintu kama government chen sahaja kai kore. O sahaja chen sama makai mana. Our fund, our money should go to the right direction, right place. Beribaik ang tini, obono koi nai, jod to chini orang fai maja fai nai, chini obigoto, chini guardian do, mam babu tong, ini okrar tong, chini master tong, chini officer tong, jod to na koi nai, jeng kaham ke mapura nai, kaham ke matong nai, jeng kaham mang nai, chini bising bahak kerak mang nai sih. Teaching tini bonus hamko kusai nita, sing apa cini nasa kemana, drah kalau cil maya karena, abu tini mang balik hendak usai mana, ibang tini balik kusi koro maximum maybe 60% above are all girl student, and wherever I go, I have seen always girl is a front, beri sabtu agak tong cini samasa, abu balik kaham, beri bang, jodoh nak koi nai, jera kaham poradi, kaham tongdi. Chini guardian level respect kedi, chini master level, governor level, chini senior level respect kedi, mungkin ang kagawa, sing asibad mana, tejot tu chini satu satu ni, ani pipeline hambai, tejot ni bagai bisi betal, jodoh ni hambai.